Hello Jim. I am going to show how to check that which module have the problem. Now first of all I have opened the back of the display. You see the display? I have opened its back and here is the CPU. It's the CPU and here are two cables. The FRC cable, 16 pin cable, which is going from CPU to the modules. The one from on the upper side and one on the lower side. Now as your display is showing problem in the lower module, in this one module, first swipe these two cables, like take these cables out and insert the lower cable in the upper and plug in the upper cable in the lower module. Now I am not going to start this display, but you on your side, after interchanging the cable, plug in the display and start it. As it turns on, check if the lower module behaves right or it's behaving the same way, like the same way the 6 rows are coming in the different color. If it's behaving the same way, it means the FRC cables are right, there is no problem in the FRC cable. Also check that the upper module should work fine. The data will be interchanged. The rows, the upper row will work as lower and lower will work as upper, but the upper should work fine, and the lower, if the lower behaves the same, it means the FRC is right and the problem is only in the module. Okay, after checking this, now we are going to check how many modules have the problem. Only the first one has or the second one have. To check this, we will do take out the FRC from here and plug the FRC in the input of the second module. Here this one is the first module and here it's the output of first module. Now near the power supply, it's the input of second module. Now take out the FRC from the input of second module and now plug in the cable from the CPU. Like here's the cable. I took it out from the first module. You can also do, you can take out this cable and plug in here, or you can just take it out from here and plug it into the second module. Like here I am going to plug it in. Like check the directions of the cable. Here it will be plugged in and here I did. Okay, now after plugging in, like first cable should be plugged in the upper one, and after plugging in the cable in the second module, turn on the display. If all the other modules work fine, like the problem of the color gets solved, like the your display is showing the correct colors now, and the problem gets solved, it means the problem is in the first module only. Okay, like confirm me once that the problem is only in the first module. I will send you replacement module. For replacing a module, you need to open the screws and just install the new module. It's easy to install, and like I am waiting for your confirmation, and we really apologize for the problem. It might happen due to the shipping. Waiting for your response. Thank you very much. Like I am again reviewing like what we have to do. First, interchange the cables and check if the module works fine. It means only the cable have problem. If it doesn't work fine, then take out the cable from first module and plug it in the second module, and again check if it works fine. Like the first module will stop working and the display will start working from the second module. Okay, from the second module display will start working. If it works fine, the color problem gets solved. It means only the first module have problem, and we will ship you a new module. Thank you very much. Waiting for your response. Regards.